Perhaps no other business in the Great Lakes Bay region exemplifies adaptability as vividly as Morley. Founded in 1863 to serve the region's lumber barons, the business continually responded to its clients' changing needs to grow into one of the area's largest employers with a diverse client base and product and service offering. One man, Louis J. Furlow Sr., guided the company during a period of significant growth.
It was kind of interesting. When I first started the business, my closest friends told me to shy away from it. They said, "Louis, you're crazy." He said, "The people in that business are multi-billion-dollar companies. You're one man alone. How are you going to go to a company like General Motors and convince them that they should do business with you?" I said, "Well, I'm going to show them service like they have never seen before. And I have every confidence that our service will be so much better, they will be thrilled to do business with us."
We are into a lot of different things. We have a really broad portfolio, but the thing that's consistent across the board at the company is that level of service, and we like to call it the Morley gold standard service. That level of service has to be the best in the industry, or quite frankly, we're just not comfortable in providing it. We just embrace customer service in a way that we think is second to none.
Morley's continual success results from customer satisfaction. Above all, Morley has always been focused on people.
We would be nothing if it weren't for our people. And I'm proud of everybody that works here. And if I could say anything, if you get the right people, they'll lift you like a hydraulic lift to heaven. Most important asset, obviously, is our great people.
Morley's success has always been good for the region. Today, the company employs more than 2,000 people at its campuses in Saginaw Township.
A lot of things can be duplicated in business as far as products and services, but if you have a really strong corporate culture that's very focused on your core DNA as a company, in our instance, that's very focused on this passionate, almost cult-like delivery of customer service, then you've got something that can't be duplicated by your competition. So, developing an award-winning team and developing a successful business has as much to do about having a super strong, positive corporate culture within your organization as anything else.